Okay, so for this word problem, we're looking for the amount of money it's earning that much interest each year, and that's going to happen at the end of the year. You don't get interest at the beginning of the year. It has to have been in the account for a year for you to get interest. And we're starting with $1,000. Since 5 years, since it says that we want the amount at the end of 5 years, let's make our sequence be about the amount of money at the end of each year. So we're not starting at 1,000. 1,000 is not the first number in my sequence. At the end of 1 year, we will have 1,000 times 0.070625. Now, this is the amount of interest that we earn the first year, so I have to add that back to the 1,000 that I already had in there. So you can do that without a calculator, but I know you're going to maybe want to. So that's the amount of money that we'll have at the end of the first year. So that's what we're going to put down for the first number in the sequence. And then, so for the next year, you're starting with that amount, and you're going to multiply that by 0.070625. This is the amount of interest that we're going to earn in the second year. See why it's a little bit more than that one, because we started with a little bit more money. I'm going to add that back to what I had at the beginning of the second year. So I'm going to have 1146.24, round that up. And so we're just going to keep doing this process 5 times. So put that in, and I'm going to add that back to the 1146.24. 1227.19. And this will be the end of the 5th year, is what we're going to do right here. So this is how much money you will have at the end, or this is the sequence for 5 years. So the amount of money that you will have after 5 years is $1,406.65. Now that is assuming that you did nothing to the money. You didn't take any out, you didn't deposit any, and you just started with that 1,000. So basically you earned $406.65 in interest over 5 years that you didn't do anything for except leave your money there and do nothing with it.